Hi, welcome to this video. We're gonna guide you through how to trade with margin on Binance. So first of all, activate your margin account in the wallet, right? If you activated your account, you already are eligible. Maybe for some regions you have to activate your margin account in the wallet tab. But for me though, I just can use margin account if I verify my account. Now what you're gonna do, transfer funds from your spot wallet. Hit asset at the bottom right and hit here transfer. Okay, and then we're gonna select from funding to, instead of spot, I'm gonna use cross margin or isolated margin, right? Or isolated mode. So let's say I'm using cross margin, right? Enter the amount, select your coin obviously. Like I said, I don't have amount available to transfer. Enter the amount and hit confirm transfer. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able in your trade, if you hit trade at the bottom middle here, right? Let me go to the home, select an asset, right? Let's say BTC, right? Spot futures wallet, Binance wallet. No, and okay, I'm gonna use like futures, right? If I went here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just simply go long or short. You can use the borrow feature to increase your capital, of course, for buying or selling. And always set stop loss orders to manage the high risks of liquidation. So let's say I'm going long, right? I'm gonna select the order type, market stop limit, stop market, scaled order, depending really on your trade. Okay, and here you're gonna see the cross, the margin mode, cross or isolated. If you want isolated, means the margin assigned to a position is restricted to a certain amount. If the margin falls below the maintenance margin level, the position is liquidated. However, you can add and remove margin at will under this mode. But cross margin means all cross positions under the same margin asset share the same asset across margin balance. In the event of liquidation, your asset's full margin balance along with any remaining open positions under the asset may be 45. So select your margin mode, stop buying or selling. This is not a financial advice, so whatever I do here, do not do the same. Study the market because Bitcoin or crypto market in general are highly volatile. Consider liking this video, subscribe it, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Until next time, see you.